Google Calendar. I am now going to show Google Calendar and how I can set reminders and notifications for myself. I am combining the use of Google Calendar with a Google Drive stored reflective journal. So this Google document stored in my Google Drive, I am going to connect to my calendar and have it show up on multiple days coming in the months and the weeks coming up to help me reconnect and rethink on important topics as this school year has ended. So here's what I'm doing. With my reflective journal, I've been keeping track. Some of you may have seen other videos of me using the style format and the headings to be able to make these links in the outline view. But I have my first journal entry here reminding me that I should remember about this. I should have some information and look at some of the PD for ST Math, as well as a consideration with new way to use Google Classroom. So I've got that journal there. Great. But now I need to remember to actually look at that and come up with a clear plan for the next school year. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm in Google Calendar. I'm going to that first blissful week of summer. Right here. And on that first blissful week, I'm going to look at this reflective journal. I'm going to set the timer not for 8 a.m., but my event to be at 9 a.m. I click. Title and edit. And I'm going to do two things. I'm going to add an attachment and I'm going to add a notification. I'm going to change the notification first to email me 10 minutes before that 9 a.m. time. I'm going to second add an attachment, and that's going to pull up my Google Drive here, and I'm going to look for my reflective journal. So I've now added a reflective journal, the reflective journal I have. I've got a slight description, says read the journal. I've got a notification. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to be once a month for the next 3 months. Now this will repeat once a month for the next 3 months once I click save. So on June 26th, it will remind me, hey, if you go to your reflective journal, you can see that link right there, and it opens up this document. If I go to the next month, you can see on July 26th, there it is, same thing. You can see on August 26th, the same thing. So what we've done is the idea of setting reminders using a combination of Google tools, of Google Calendar, with a Google Doc stored in your drive, that reflective journal. And when you made that calendar event, you added that attachment as well as a notification email here. So you have ways to remind yourself of what you wish to remember and you wish to work on.